दूसरों के सामने रखने में झिझकते हैं। Some components of communication is verbal communication. Second is non-verbal communication, written communication, listening skills. So there are some barriers. Emotional barrier, fear, anger. कैसे हमें हेल्प करता है टू इम्प्रूव कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, अपनी बात अच्छे से किसी को समझा नहीं पाओ. हाउ टू कम्युनिकेट प्रॉपरली. You really want to be master in communication. Role of emotional intelligence. Next is digital communication. Relate to your audience. Communication and teamwork and leadership are the takeaway. You are a good communicator, then you can win the world. Communication should go with these non-verbal clues. Why listening skills is crucial. Language barrier. Real world example. If you communicate properly, effectively, you open the door of success. Hi guys, this is Dr. Rachna, and today I will tell you that how to communicate properly. In office, in society, in surroundings, even in family. If you are a good communicator, then you can win the world. You can open the path for your success. Communication कैसे हमें help करता है? Communication help to build the relations. अगर आप किसी से बात करने जाते हैं और अगर आप अच्छे शब्दों का ही उपयोग नहीं करेंगे तो आप अपनी बात को उस तक रख ही नहीं पाएंगे. It is essential for teamwork and leadership. अगर आप अपनी टीम को लीड करना चाहते हैं तो डेफिनेटली कम्युनिकेट करना आना ही पड़ेगा. इंक्रीज सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस एंड क्रेडिबिलिटी. क्रेडिबिलिटी को बढ़ाता है कि आपकी बात को लोग सुनेंगे. क्यों सुनेंगे? तभी सुनेंगे जब आपके अंदर एक लीडरशिप क्वालिटी होगी, जब आप उन्हें ये बता पाएंगे कि यस, व्हाटएवर आई एम सेइंग दैट्स राइट. अगर हम बात करते हैं एक ऐसे कम्युनिकेशन की जहां पर बहुत सारे एस्पेक्ट्स तो हो सकते हैं बट स्किल्स की बात नहीं होती है, तो आज हम बात करेंगे स्किल्स. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द सम कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ communication. First is verbal communication. Verbal communication requires clarity, tone, and word choice. In clarity, be clear and concise. Avoid jargons when speaking to a layperson. Tone, adapt your tone to the context. It should be formal, casual, and persuasive. Word choice is very important. Choose simple and reliable words. For an example, explaining to a technical details of a project to a non-technical team requires simplifying term without losing the message. So it means when you are in the verbal communication, you should remember that word choice should be appropriate. And another one, second is non-verbal communication. Its importance, 90% of communication impact is from non-verbal ones. Its elements are body language, open posture, confident gesture, eye contact shows confidence, alternatives, and in facial expressions, it matches your expression with your message. While practicing speaking in front of mirror, you should go with these non-verbal clues. How would you do that? That in front of mirror, you should see your face expression, your gestures, your postures, which is really important for communication. Next is written communication. When you communicate in a written way, like emails, report, and proposals. For that, what should be the structure? It should be very clear and concise. Body, conclusion, you should know that how you have to form it. Check spelling and grammatical errors. For an example, a well-written email has a clear subject, polite tone, and a concise message. So, for professional, it is the best way to communicate and tell about their work abilities. Now, next is listening skills. Why listening skills is crucial? It builds trust and understanding. It ensures accurate interpretation of message. What are the techniques of listening? Active listening focus entirely on the speaker. paraphrasing, repeat what you heard to confirm understanding, asking the question, show interest, and clarify your doubts. That's why listening, it is important to communicate with the second person. When you are communicating, so there are some barriers also. While effective communication, you will have to face some common barriers that can be language barriers, which is misunderstanding due to differences in the language. This is noise, misunderstanding, poor focusing, and assuming the listener knows something that they don't. Emotional barrier, fear, anger, or anxiety, which affects to the communication. Like in the situation कि आप कॉलेज में हैं या ऑफिस में हैं, अचानक से आपको कोई काम बोला गया और आप डर गए और आप अपनी बात ही नहीं रख पाए और that communication वहीं पे फेड हो जाएगा. So that situation can be, कोई भी हो सकती है situation. Only आपको क्या करना है? Create a environment where you can simplify your message. Ask for the feedback to ensure the message was understood or not. सामने वाले से आपको पूछना जरूर है कि आपको मेरी बात समझ में आई कि मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा था, क्योंकि जब तक कम्युनिकेशन साइकिल ही कंप्लीट नहीं होगा और रिसीवर रिसीव ही नहीं करेगा कि आपने क्या मैसेज दिया है, तब तक वो फुलफिलमेंट होगा ही. The role of emotional intelligence while communication. So first of all, हम ये जानते हैं कि emotional intelligence है क्या? Emotional intelligence है ability to recognize, understand and manage your emotion while emphasizing with others' role in communication. How we can improve it? Improve your ability to handle conflicts, enhance relationship through empathy and understanding. For an example, a manager addressing an unperforming employee to clarify that focusing on a situation rather than blaming too. So, this is way कि अगर हम emotional intelligence से communicate करते हैं तो सामने वाले को हमारे इमोशंस भी समझ में आते हैं और वो अपने आप को आपके साथ रिलेट भी कर पाता है, और जहां वो बात बुरी लगनी होती है वो स्मूथली डन हो जाती है. नेक्स्ट इज डिजिटल कम्युनिकेशन. There are some effective digital communication guidelines. That is, in email, use clear subject lines, professional tone, and concise content. For an example, subject project update, deadline changes when you are messaging through app. So be mindful of tone about and how you are expressing your tone. Avoid the misinterpretation by using complete sentences. While video calls, जैसा कि आजकल आप जानते हैं कि जितनी भी प्रोफेशनल मीटिंग्स होती हैं वो वीडियो कॉल्स के थ्रू होती हैं. So ensure good lighting, maintain eye contact with the camera and dress professionally. So this will help you to create a perfect digital communication. Many of the times जितने भी interviews होते हैं online, so they only judge by your gestures, your postures, your eye contact. So that is, respond properly and avoid using slangs in professional settings. Don't use any kind of slangs. Communication and teamwork and leadership. Importance of teamwork. Teamwork का अपना ही एक मजा है. तो teamwork कैसा होना चाहिए? Clear instruction, prevent misunderstandings, ensure collaboration and idea sharing. Leadership communication कैसा होना चाहिए? Inspire through vision and motivation. Use assertive but respectful language. For an example, a team leader motivating their team to meet a challenging deadline by emphasizing collective effort and rewards. So, of course, it would be possible by this way. So, how would you resolve the conflicts if it comes in teamwork? Use a natural tone. Focus on solving the issue rather than assigning or blaming to others. Next is practice and continuous improvement. How to improve communication skill. 1. Public speaking groups. Join organizations like testimonials to gain confidence. Record yourself. Review your tone, speed, and clarity. Role playing. Practice some build adaptability. Seek feedbacks. Ask mentors or peers to evaluate your communication style. What you can do in this? आप क्या कर सकते हैं? Choose a topic and explain it to someone unfamiliar with. Focus on clarity and simplicity. And you will find कि in this way आपका जो communication वो कितना purify होके निकलेगा. And next is real world examples. Take the real world examples for effective communicator. If we'll talk about Barack Obama, known for clear, concise, and inspiring speeches. Case study of a company miscommunication, a product recall leading to customer backlash. तो एक तरफ हमारे पास एग्जाम्पल है बराक ओबामा का जो एकदम क्लियर और इंस्पायरिंग स्पीचेस देते हैं, और एक तरफ हमारे पास एक ऐसी कंपनी का फेलियर का जो कभी भी अपने कस्टमर्स के साथ में सही से लीड नहीं करती है और वो ब्लैकलिस्ट हो जाती है. सो फॉर दिस सेशन व्हाट आर द टेक अवे? क्या टेक अवे हो सकते हैं कि कम्युनिकेशन इन्वॉल्व्स वर्बल, नॉन वर्बल एंड लिसनिंग स्किल्स. Overcoming barriers like assumption and distraction is crucial. Emotional intelligence and adaptability enhance your communication. Practice regularly to improve your goal. In the final way, I would like to tell you good communication is the bridge between confusion and clarity. Start participating, communicating today only. By this way, you can get a perfect communication. So here were 10 points of communication skills. I hope you understand very clearly. मेरी पूरी कोशिश रही है कि आपको अच्छे से ये बात समझ में आए कि कम्युनिकेशन स्किल हमारी लाइफ के लिए कितने ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, चाहे वो सोसाइटी में हो, कॉलेज में हो या प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में. In next video, I will let you know technical communication. Technical communication हमारी professional life के लिए बहुत ही important होते हैं. So, let's watch this and wait for technical communication. See you then. Namaskar.